With its first quarter earnings coming in lower than what had been estimated earlier, what's more worrying is the pain it has witnessed in its main markets, India and the US. Ekta is here to decipher the numbers for us. Ekta, all is not really well as far as Lupin is concerned. Take us through the numbers.
Well, you'd have to say it was a mixed quarter for Lupin this time. Yes, it was blockbuster in terms of its revenue, profit, but what disappointed were the margins, which came in at sub 30%. Plus, in terms of the US business, the sequential decline that we saw of around 1% did not go down too well with the analyst community. And separately, we had the India domestic growth, which just about slowed down to around 5% versus estimates of around 9 to 10%. Now, to take you through a couple of key numbers, the revenue was up 41%, EBITDA up around 59% with margins of around 29.5% and a profit growth of around 55%. Remember, this was led by the Glumetza sales for this quarter, where the exclusivity ended in the month of July. So it was expected to be a blockbuster quarter, and that's exactly what they delivered. But there were certain key factors which possibly niggled in terms of worries this time for Lupin. So, for example, the US business, which was up around 78.9% on a year-on-year basis, was down 1% Q-on-Q to $322 million. So that sort of worried the market that maybe, yes, there was seasonality, but maybe there could be pricing pressure which could be weighing on the company going forward as well. India, which was up only around 5.2% versus estimates of around 9 to 10%. The other markets, such as Middle East and Africa, was healthy, up 20.6%. Japan was up around 11.1% in yen terms as well. So overall, the R&D expenditure also went up to close to around 12% of sales. So that too weighed on the margins this time. Overall, yes, it was a good quarter in terms of what they delivered, but maybe the future, especially with regards to pricing pressure in the US, is something that the street is a little concerned about. For the Goa facility, they said that work is in progress. They would like to prepone the resolution timelines a little bit from December, which was anticipated possibly a little earlier in the year.
All right, Ekta, thanks for joining in.